Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 2, we're going to go over Chapter 12, Lesson 2. Here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. Alright, lateral areas and surface areas of prisms. In a solid figure, faces that are not bases are called lateral faces. So here, let's talk about what bases are. Bases are, we're talking about the area of the bottom or the top. So here is the top area that we're talking about, and here is the bottom area. And then it says faces that are not bases are called lateral faces. So here we have one right here. This is a lateral face. This is another one and another one here. And then we have another one here in the back, another one. So we have a total of 6 lateral faces in this particular right prism. And they're all, lateral faces intersect each other at the lateral edges, which are parallel and congruent. The lateral faces intersect at base edges. The altitude is a perpendicular segment that joins the planes of the bases. Remember, we're talking about altitude, and we're saying perpendicular, which is making that 90-degree angle. And the height is the length of the altitude. That sound good?
Yeah.
So, let's now go over lateral area of a prism. The lateral area L of a right prism is L is equal to P times H, where H is the height of the prism and P is the perimeter of the base. So L is equal to P times H. So remember we said H is the height, which is what we're talking about right here. Oops. So here's our height. And then we have the perimeter of the base. Remember, perimeter is when you add all around, the distance all around it. So we're going to multiply these. That's how we find the lateral area of a prism.
Perfect.
Next, we're going to find the surface area of a prism. The surface area, S, of a right prism is S is equal to L plus 2 times B, where L is the lateral area and B is the area of the base. So here, notice we have S is equal to L plus 2 times B, or S is equal to P times H plus 2 times B. Notice it says or, we can use either one. So remember, L is perimeter times height. So remember, our perimeter will be this area around here. And our height, we'll multiply it, that's saying how tall it is, plus 2 times B, and remember B is the area of the base, so whatever this is. And there we go. Why do you like making noises while I'm doing things? The lateral area of a right cylinder is the area of a curved surface. Like a right prism, the lateral area L equals P times H. Since the base is a circle, the perimeter is the circumference of the circle C. So the lateral area is C times H, or 2 times pi times R times H. So as you can see here, we have the two bases, which are our circles, and has our radius. And then think about this one as, if I'm looking at this picture here, I see a soup can, and think about if you unravel that label, that's the area that you'd find here. Surface area of a cylinder. The lateral area L of a right cylinder is L is equal to 2 pi times R times H, where R is the radius of the base and H is the height. The surface area S of a right cylinder is S is equal to 2 times pi times R times H plus 2 times pi times R squared, where R is the radius of the base and h is the height. And there we go.